Hi, my name is Tim Carroll. I'm the Vice President of Business Development at Foremost Communications.
My name is Paul Kelly. I'm the CEO and one of the owners here at Foremost Communications.
Hi, I'm Mark Osteen. I'm one of the principals here at Foremost Communications, and I was one of the original owners of it.
Hello, my name is Brian Bannerhoning. I am the Chief Operating Officer for Foremost Communications.
My name is Merlin Buell. I'm President of Foremost Communications. I'm one of the owners here, and I'm the managing member of the group. We're in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We have one facility, about 75,000 square feet.
We had 9 employees when I first purchased the company back in 1990, and presently we have 95 employees.
Foremost Communications is a company that has basically 5 different divisions. We have an offset division, we have a flexo division, we have fulfillment, mailing, and a digital division.
We are a communications company. We help our clients communicate to their clients. We want to do one of 3 things for our clients. We want to help them grow the revenue, we want to help them decrease cost in their marketing supply chain, or we want to solve a problem.
Technology plays a big role in that, and in the fact that our clients look to us to stay up to date with what the latest, greatest technologies are, how they can communicate better with their clients. We do that through a series of having various technologies available to our clients here, but in the digital arena, obviously, we can react very quickly.
We were keeping our eye on the inkjet technology as it continued to grow. One of the main reasons that we decided to jump into the marketplace after seeing the screen TruePress is just because of the actual sheet size.
We actually had a fairly short window of decision on this. We got a call from our sales rep from Screen when he was in Japan, and he got on the phone with Brian and said, "You have got to see this machine. This is the best thing I've ever seen." We went to Chicago and saw a demo of it and realized that this was the future of print. I actually thought that we were probably 5 to 10 years away from this technology. I feel like maybe we've bought our last offset press. I had no idea that the technology was where it was at as far as the quality level. What we saw in Chicago was amazing. We took an offset sheet and they matched it almost dead nuts right on with just raw files that we brought them, and they fired it up and matched it. And we went, wow, you know, the technology is here.
We've had the SX here on site since February and have been really pleased with its performance thus far.
That gave us the B2 market. We were allowed to go to a larger sheet size, the 24-point board. We're allowed to duplex inline. A lot of the other pieces of equipment out there are incapable of duplexing that sheet and that thickness inline. So you have to run the load, flip the load over, bring it back to the press, reload it, and send it back through. There's inherent problems with that because if you have a jam or a sheet misses or anything like that, and you're in the middle of a long run variable data piece, it creates a lot of havoc when you have to try to reset that press and get back up on sequence.
Things that sold us on the SX were the sheet size, the 20 by 29. It could still handle the variable data without a hiccup. We ran it through its paces, and it doesn't care if it's static or variable. It runs the same speed.
The 21 by 29 inch sheet was really a game changer, and it really gives us an opportunity to really give our clients some tools that they haven't had the ability to have before in personalization at a larger sheet size that has been very beneficial to them.
It allowed us to get into the longer run variable data. With the larger sheet size, we can go multiple up on postcards. It allows us to also run 4 up 8.5 by 11 variable signatures. And it gets us into the 8-page signature personalized market. When you can customize an 8-page or a 16-page brochure and not have to change over any of your bindery structure, it goes right into our cutters and our folders the same as it would for the offset equipment.
But we found it, you know, from anywhere from personalization on pocket folders, really short-run catalog work is what I found to be very beneficial.
Things like full-size pocket folders we can now do, which on any other digital equipment you can't. So that's one area that we're seeing the short-run capabilities of the SX really shine.
The digital really complements our flexographic and our offset division.
Pretty much anything offset we can run. You can go up to 24 point. I believe it can go down to 60-pound offset. It can run gloss, coated, matte, dull. Variable carton. Nobody could do that before because you could only go to 12 point on a 14 by 26 sheet. You can't get a very big carton. Now we're 21 by 29 on 24 points, so now we can get a true carton off and we can make a variable.
Another thing is the ability to come right off press and have no cracking. With the inkjet technology, You don't have any cracking when you go right into scoring and folding. On the toner-based applications, if you don't have the correct grain direction, you get that toner crack because it is a plastic piece where this is liquid ink. I think some of the differences between the toner-based and the inkjet technology that can be easily recognized is the screening technology. Inkjet has got a much smoother screen. It lays down a tighter dot pattern. The toner-based application is inherently streaking because it takes gradations as literal. If you go from a 10% to a 20% to a 30, you get those streaks. With the screen TruePress and the inkjet technology, those screens are flawless.
When you say near offset quality, 95% of the population will not be able to tell the difference between offset and the sheet off this press. You just cannot tell the difference.
The first project that we had done was for a high-end golf resort, and this was their first opportunity to come in and see some of the new inkjet technology, and they were very skeptical at first. Their whole marketing team came in, sat down, we went over the whole project, had them come in for a press okay. As that customer came in and we ran the job, they were just amazed at we had side-by-side pieces printed from their previous run to this run, and they were just amazed at what we could do.
I would say what makes Foremost different than other competitors or other people in the marketplace is our complete full-service solution.
It gives us tons of options for our clients, provide solutions one direction or the other.
So we're actually creating markets for the products that we can run on the SX. We can come up with things that before weren't possible. And so that makes it a lot of fun, and that truly is a game changer.